we're heading down towards the train station via Chapel Road. Just hit 8 o'clock. And there's some luck, so we actually get to see the builders, or labourers, whatever you want to call them, actually putting up more fences. Fence a bit further up. So let's see tomorrow when we come back if they painted it black or not. Definitely getting the development up quick. Wonder if they'll build it as quick as they did the university across the road. Okay, that's just a short video today of the update. Thanks for watching.